Hey guys, this is going to be a quick video tutorial on how to factory reset the iPhone 14, 14 Pro, or Pro Max. First, make sure your iPhone is backed up before factory resetting. To check this, go into Settings, tap on your name at the top of the screen, then click on the device you want to back up. Here you want to make sure that iCloud backup is toggled on. Please double check that all of your important photos, videos, and documents have been successfully backed up before continuing. Once you have confirmed that your iPhone has been successfully backed up, go into Settings, tap on your name on the top of the screen, and at the bottom, click on Sign Out. Here you can enter your Apple ID password to sign out. Next, tap Sign Out on the top right corner, and confirm you're signing out. Once you're done with that, go to General, scroll down to the bottom, and you'll see Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on that, and on the following screen, click on Erase All Content and Settings. Then tap on Continue. Next, enter your iPhone password and confirm that you want to erase your iPhone. The next part will take a few minutes to process, but when it's done, you'll have successfully completed a factory reset for the iPhone 14, 14 Pro, or Pro Max. Before you go, in the description box below, you can check out a list of Amazon products that I recommend and use on the daily. These are affiliate links, so I do receive a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do decide to click on any of these links, it is very much appreciated. You can also donate to the channel with the Super Thanks button located here. Hopefully this tutorial was helpful to you guys. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.